Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class. Today we are going to start Unit 2, Nature and Science. In this unit, we will study about trees around us, plant life, amazing world of animals, birds and their beaks, our organ system, science quiz, and meet the planets. Let us start with topic 8 of Unit 2. Trees around us. There are lots of things that we get from trees like fruits, medicine, wood, rubber, gum, furniture, etc. The list goes on endlessly. Trees also purify air and add oxygen to it. Some trees have medicinal property, whereas some trees have antibacterial properties. Let us study about various trees. The first picture is a picture of neem tree. Neem is large evergreen tree with wide trunk which can grow 12 to 24 meter tall. Neem is a medicinal plant. Various products derived from the neem tree are being used in India since ancient times for their medicinal properties. Neem products are believed to have antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral and worm expelling properties. We will match 1 with C, neem tree. The second picture is a picture of peepal tree. Peepal tree is considered highly sacred as people believe that Lord Vishnu and many other gods used to reside underneath it. Peepal tree is regarded as the representation of various Hindu gods and goddesses. People worship the tree and perform puja. Peepal tree is of great medicinal value. Its leaves are useful for patients suffering from jaundice, heart disorders, etc. We will match 2 with E, peepal tree. The third picture is a picture of coconut tree. Coconut tree grow in tropical areas such as on warm coast and in rainforest. They produce fruit known as coconut. The coconut fruit and the tree itself are used for many things such as making soap, furniture, brooms, etc. Coconut tree has several benefits including health and commercial benefits. Many people depend on it to make a living and believe that it is a tree of life. We will match 3 with A, coconut tree. Fourth picture is a picture of cedar trees. Cedars are trees up to 30-40 meter tall with spicy scented wood, thick rigid or square cracked bark and broad level branches. One popular use of cedar wood is in clothing storage furnishing such as wardrobes, chests and trunks. Cedar is aromatic because it bears a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Some types of cedar such as a true cedar and Spanish cedar also have insect repellent qualities. We will match 4 with F, cedar tree. The fifth picture is a picture of mango tree. Mango tree is native to South Asia from where it has been taken to become one of the most widely cultivated fruits in the tropics. Mango is the national fruit of India which is loved by one and all. It is very juicy, pulpy fruit. Mango leaves are useful for managing diabetes. We will match 5 with B, mango tree. Sixth picture is a picture of banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of the Republic of India. It is a huge tree that towers over its neighbors and has the widest reaching roots of all known trees. Its size and leafy shelter are valued in India as a place of rest and reflection. The banyan tree is considered sacred by the Hindus. It is known as Bargad or Vatvriksha. The wood and bark of banyan tree are used for making paper. The fruits of the banyan tree are edible and nutritious. They are also used to soothe skin irritations and swelling. It is used as a herb to treat and cure many diseases. We will match 6 with D, banyan tree. The next topic is plant life. Plants are very important part of earth. They take in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen and thereby make food for all the animals and humans. Now let us study some of the characteristics of plants and complete the exercise given. The first question is, plants breathe through the tiny openings in their leaves called dash. It is stomata. Plants breathe through the tiny openings in their leaves called the stomata. We will write in the space given stomata. Second question is, a substance called dash gives green color to the leaves. It is chlorophyll. The substance called chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. We will write in the space given chlorophyll. Third question, the dash of a plant makes food for it. It is leaves. The leaves of a plant make food for it. We will write in the space given leaves. Number 4, plant use dash and water to make food. It is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide and water to make food. Write in the space given carbon dioxide. Number 5, plants make food in the presence of dash. Plants make food in the presence of sunlight. Write in the space given sunlight. Number 6, while making their food, plants give out dash. It is oxygen. While making their food, plants give out oxygen. Number 7, the dash carries water from the roots to the leaves. It is stem. The stem carries water from the roots to leaves. Write in the space given stem. Number 8, the fruits contain dash which when sown produce new plants. It is seed. Write in the space given seed. Number 9, some plants like cactus do not have leaves. They make food in their green dash. It is stem. Some plants like cactus, they make their food in their green stem. Write in the space given stem. Let us learn something more. The first picture we can see is a picture of raffia palm. Raffia palm has the biggest leaves. In the second picture we can see a picture of double coconut seed. Double coconut plant produces the biggest seed. The third picture we can see is Rafflesia flower. Rafflesia is the world's biggest flower. Let's proceed to the next topic, amazing world of animals. As we all know, this earth not only belongs to us but also to all the animals and plants found on the earth equally. There are some animals which are known for their characteristics which distinguishes them from the other animal. Now let us study about some of these animals. The first picture is the picture of largest living bird in the world. It is ostrich. Ostrich is a flightless bird mainly found in Africa. They are the largest living bird species and have the biggest eggs of all living birds. Ostrich do not fly but can run faster than other birds. Ostriches have the biggest eyes of all land animals. We will write in the space given ostrich. OSTRICH. The second picture we can see the largest animal on earth. It is blue whale. Blue whale is a water living mammal and has lungs instead of gills for breathing. It cannot breathe underwater. Therefore, it comes over the surface of water to breathe in a particular interval of time. It eats small animals found in water. We will write in the space given blue whale. BLUE, blue, WHALE, whale. The third picture we can see is the animal that looks like a buffalo and is found in the high mountains. It is yak. Yak is a domestic animal with a bulky frame and has short but thick legs which help them to walk in snow. Their most distinctive feature is an extremely dense, shaggy, long coat that hangs down to the ground. The domestic yak is used for travel and are valued for their meat, milk and dung. We will write in the space given yak. YAK, yak. In the fourth picture, we can see the animal that has sharp quills on its body. It is porcupine. Porcupine is a rodent with a coat of sharp spines and quills that defend them from predators. Most porcupine are about 60 to 90 centimeter long with 20 to 25 centimeter long tail. Porcupine comes in various shades of brown, grey and the unusual whites. We will write in the space given porcupine. 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 The fifth picture is the animal that lived on earth millions of years ago. It is dinosaur. Dinosaurs is an ancient reptile that lived millions of years ago all over the world. They did not fly or swim. They can be as small as a chicken or as big as an aeroplane. Dinosaurs ate flesh of other animals. They had sharp and pointed teeth. Dinosaurs do not exist today, but we learn about dinosaurs by studying fossils which are preserved remains of once living animals. We will write in the space given dinosaurs. 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 Sixth picture is a member of the crocodile family. It is alligator. An alligator is a large reptile with short legs, a long tail, tough skin, sharp teeth and a wide snout. They are the cold-blooded animals that lay eggs and are covered with scales or hard plates. Alligators live in freshwater environments such as ponds, marshes, rivers, and lakes. We will write in the space given alligator. 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 The next picture is a large white and black bear-like animal. It is giant panda. Giant panda are bears that are native to China. They live in forest of tall trees. Their eyes, ears, legs and shoulders are all black and the rest of its body is white. They can grow up to 3 feet tall and 6 feet long. They eat the bamboo. One of the main reasons that panda populations have declined is habitat destruction. Habitat destruction leads to food shortage. We will write in the space given giant panda. Giant, giant, Panda, panda. The next picture is a bird which is considered as the symbol of peace. It is dove. Dove is a bird with very symbolic history. Many religion and culture celebrate dove as a symbol of peace. Dove live in all over the world. They are pretty, hardy birds and can live in desert areas, tropical forest, mountains and woodlands. Dove eat mainly insects, seeds, nuts and fruits. We will write in the space given dove. Dove, dove. Let us learn about some more animals. Next question is name these animals. Number 1. The national bird of New Zealand which cannot fly. It is kiwi. Kiwi is the unique and curious bird. It cannot fly. It has loose hair like feathers, strong legs and no tail. We will write in the space given kiwi. Number 2. The national bird of India with beautiful feathers. It is peacock. Peacock is a colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, white patches under the eye and a long slender neck. We will write in the space given peacock. Number 3. The lizard that can change color to hide from enemies. It is chameleon. Chameleons are family of lizard. They use their tail to wrap around tree branches. Their hands and feet have large toes that help them cling to branches. They change their color to hide themselves from enemies. Write in the space given chameleon. Number 4. The largest bear that live in very cold Arctic region. It is polar bear. Polar bears are stocky with a long neck, relatively small head, short rounded ears and a short tail. They have their layer of blubber and fur that keep them warm in cool climate where they live. We will write in the space given polar bear. Number 5. The longest living insects that eats up all the wood. It is termite. Termite are pale colored, soft bodied social insect that feed on wood. Write in the space given termite.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.